Welcome to Luxury Houses, American Homes. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss another incredible luxury property tour from across the United States. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most extraordinary homes in Magnolia, Texas, a breathtaking purple and white luxury mansion that truly redefines modern elegance, comfort, and design. From the moment you arrive, this property commands your attention. The front exterior blends bold purple tones with crisp white finishes, surrounded by perfectly manicured landscaping and a long private driveway leading up to the grand entrance. Every detail of the architecture reflects class and creativity, a masterpiece built to stand out. As you step through the arched double doors, you're welcomed into a two-story foyer that feels like a scene from a dream. Twin wrought iron staircases spiral up to the second floor, while a crystal chandelier glows above, filling the space with golden light. The contrast of white marble flooring and deep purple decor creates a stunning, royal atmosphere that feels both powerful and inviting. Moving into the living room, you'll find soaring ceilings, massive windows, and elegant furniture in a soft purple and white color palette. The room flows effortlessly into an open-concept design, perfect for entertaining family and guests. The cozy fireplace, plush seating, and soft natural lighting make this living area the perfect balance of luxury and comfort. Next, we enter the gourmet kitchen, a chef's paradise with white quartz countertops, high-end Thermador appliances, and custom purple cabinetry that adds a bold and artistic flair. The kitchen island is illuminated by modern pendant lighting, creating a warm and welcoming space for breakfast or evening gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen, the formal dining room is pure sophistication. A long dining table sits beneath a sparkling chandelier, while large windows fill the space with natural light. The purple velvet chairs and white marble floor create a dining experience that feels like a five-star restaurant, right in your own home. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom suite, your private sanctuary within this massive estate. Designed in gentle purple tones with white accents, it's spacious, relaxing, and filled with natural light. The large balcony offers panoramic views of the estate grounds, perfect for enjoying morning coffee or a peaceful evening sunset. Step into the master bathroom, and you'll instantly feel like you're in a luxury spa. A freestanding soaking tub, custom walk-in shower, and dual vanities with glowing purple backlighting make this bathroom one of the most beautiful spaces in the entire home. The guest bedrooms continue the same theme of elegance, each designed with its own unique touches of purple and white. Every room includes an ensuite bathroom, custom lighting, and large windows overlooking the landscaped grounds. For work or study, the home office and library provide a quiet escape. The two-story library, with its purple shelves and white ceilings, feels both classic and modern. A spiral staircase and warm lighting create the perfect atmosphere for reading, study, or private meetings. And when it's time for entertainment, the home theater room is the place to be, featuring luxurious purple recliner seats, LED accent lighting, and a massive screen for that true cinematic experience. As we head outdoors, the beauty of this estate truly comes alive. The backyard features not one but three pools, including a cave-style swim-up bar that feels like your own private resort. The outdoor barbecue and dining area offer the perfect space for parties or family gatherings under the Texas sun. Beyond the pool, the property opens up to 20 acres of landscaped grounds complete with walking paths, golf cart trails, and a private par-3 golf hole. A peaceful pond stocked with fish adds to the serenity of this one-of-a-kind Texas paradise. As night falls, the purple and white mansion glows under perfectly placed lighting. The pools shimmer, the gardens sparkle, and the entire property transforms into a magical scene, a true reflection of luxury and tranquility. Every corner of this mansion, from the dramatic staircases to the elegant garage and spa-style bathrooms, tells a story of craftsmanship, vision, and sophistication. This is not just a house, it's a statement of living boldly, beautifully, and without limits. If you're dreaming of owning a luxury estate that combines modern design, comfort, and timeless style, this purple and white American mansion could be your dream come true. Thank you for joining this exclusive tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Houses, American Homes for more spectacular properties across the USA. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and keep exploring the most luxurious homes in America.